Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to record interview. Today's problem number is 2391, minimum amount of time to collect garbage. You are given a zero index array of strings garbage where the garbage of I represents the assortment of garbage at the I house. Garbage of I consists only one of characters M, P, and J, representing the one unit of metal, paper, or glass garbage respectively. Picking up one unit of any type of garbage takes 1 minute. You are also given a zero indexed integer array travel, where travel of I is the number of minutes needed to go from house I to house I plus 1. There are three garbage trucks in the city, each responsible for picking up one type of garbage. Each garbage truck starts at house 0 and must visit each house in order. However, we do not need to visit every house. Only one garbage truck may be used at any given moment. While one truck is driving or picking up garbage, the other two trucks cannot do anything. Return the minimum number of minutes needed to pick up all the garbage. Let's to solve it. Let's check the example number 1. We have 4 houses, and these 4 houses have only glass and paper garbage. So we don't need to use metal truck, and uh, let's try to solve it that way. We check each index, and first of all we add the count of garbage to the result. So in the example number 1 we have 6 pieces of garbage, so initial result will be 6. And also we need to add the time to move truck between houses. In this example, paper only house 2 and 3 have paper, so we need to add distance between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 for paper garbage. And for glass garbage we need to add all 3 distances. So we will check every house and add the distance to move to this house, and also we will consider the distance to the house number 1 as 0. So I will add 0 before elements of in travel to check distances more easily. So first of all I I, I do it. So travel equals a list with one element 0 plus all the travel values. So now we have houses in the list garbage, and the elements in the list travel, and all lists are equal. So all lists have the same number of elements. And second thing, we need to add distance to each house until we have the garbage of this type in some of houses after. So, for instance, maybe in second example, yes, you can see in second example that, for instance, glass and paper, mm, only houses 2 and 3 has glass and paper, but house number 1 doesn't have it. But we need to add distance to this type of garbage, uh, even house number 1 doesn't have it. So first of all, we need to go through all elements in the list garbage and find the maximum index of house there we have each kind of item. And after it, we go through all elements second time and add uh, number of items in each house plus distance for the uh, each track if this if the index of this house less than maximum index for this kind of garbage. It's one kind of solution. We can do it easily using only one loop. To do it, we can go from back of the garbage and save if that kind of garbage uh, already used. So let's do it. Second thing, we need to define a variable to keep result, and finally we will return it. And also we will track a set. We, I I will create a set to check if which kind of garbage already used. Let's call it used, and by default it's empty set. And now we go through the garbage list from the back. So for I in range len of garbage -1, 2 -1, and -1 each step. So go from the last elements to the first elements backward. And the first thing, we need to update used type of garbage. To do it, we use union operator for the sets and update used set by current set of garbage. So it's set of garbage of I. After it, we calculate result for the current house. It has two components. First of all, it's count of garbage in this house and used tracks and length of used tracks multiply by distance to this house. So it's travel of I. That's it. And let's check the tests. Test pass. Let's submit it. it works, it's quite effective. And let's analyze the time and the memory complexity. In this solution, I used only one loop from through all items in garbage. So the time complexity is O of n. O of n time. Also, I used only two extra variables, result and used has maximum 3 items. So memory complexity is O of 1. So it's quite effective. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.